welcome to a new video. My name is Mika. For those who are new, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I am on my way to it's Render Week, it's Tech Week in Atlanta. So I am on my way to the first stop, which is a tech dinner. And then later on I'm going to Punt City Market, and then tomorrow I'm going to be doing some conference stuff and networking events. But it's about to be a busy rest of the week, y'all. But I just wanted to just kind of get in, start the video, just let y'all know what's going on. And I am going to be focused on driving because I am driving my sister's car, baby, and yeah.
Euphoria, I'm drowning in euphoria, drowning in euphoria, euphoria. Euphoria, I'm drowning in euphoria, drowning in euphoria, euphoria. They don't buy my phone all the time, tap my phone, already knowing this drive. Fake friends and old hoes, love ain't my line. Tryna get the patience, but I have no time. Like a dead man walking, try to speed talk, cause I know you. Funny how they never care about the old you. I'm blow up, like I'm supposed to. After I blow up, act like I don't know you. Get you drunk. Euphoria, I'm drowning in euphoria, drowning in euphoria, euphoria. I'm dope, I'm dope, I'm dope, I'm dope, I'm dope, I'm dope, I'm drowning in euphoria. I'm dope, I'm dope, euphoria, euphoria. Euphoria, I'm drowning in euphoria, drowning in euphoria, euphoria. Bring it back. Bring it back. I'm dope, 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 I'm dope. Bring it back. Euphoria. Bring it back. Buy my phone all the time, tap my phone, already knowing this drive. Fake friends and old hoes, love ain't my line. Tryna get the patience, but I have no time. Like a dead man walking, try to be tight, cause I know you. Funny how they never care about the old you. I'm blow up, like I'm supposed to. After I blow up, act like I don't know you. Euphoria, I'm drowning in euphoria, drowning in euphoria, euphoria. Get you drunk.
Hey y'all, so today is the next day. Oh my god, that was some Render pre-party. Your girl was lit, having her a good old time. I went by the dinner first to hear some pitches. They had some really cool companies there. I couldn't really get much good video because it was like a stand-up type of situation, and of course, you know, the tallest ones in the bunch got to stand in the front. Okay, they always do. So after that, I headed over to Punt City Market. I went to the Square Block party, took some dope pics. That camera, y'all, that camera was giving. That camera was giving. Now I'm gonna have to go buy that lens, okay? And then I headed over to Bar Vegan to the Cash App party. Cash App know how to throw a party, y'all, okay? You might have to start back using good old Cash App. I don't like using Cash App because, baby, it don't hit my bank fast. I like Zelle. Yeah, I like Zelle. But, hey, my eyelash bothering me, y'all. But, yeah, honey. So, I got a couple of stops. I got to pull up at the doctor's office first. Get just a little follow-up on my autoimmune disease, and then after that I got the Google happy hour And then I'm going to the Truist Night Market. That'll be my first time at the Truist Night Market. So I just wanted to kind of catch y'all up, let y'all know what's been going on, because you know, baby, it's woo, your girl was down bad this morning. Okay, somebody, you know, it was all good to somebody tell my some, y'all want to do some shots. Why y'all niggas always want to say some damn shots, bruh? But you know me, I'm be like, yeah. But alright, let me go ahead and get in this doctor's office, y'all, before they talk about something I ain't here, honey. I see y'all.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like, I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping and you ain't been the same. Like, who been on your mind? Who got your time? Who you been vibing with and why can't let you mine? You used to be texting me, checking me, calling me your time. And now you treat me like my world blessing the time. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. And you told me why I want to wear my orange sweater. I told you I am down for the worse or the better, but I keep sticking to you cause I'm forced to. You got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs. Singing love songs, love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs all this time.